they will entertain the complaints of the consumer, and there's a composition. That means there should be one president and two others members. President should be or has been qualified to be the judge of district court, as the two other members, from which one should be the lady social worker and the other member should be immense in the field of trade, industry, education and commerce. These members should hold the office for the period of 5 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. But as the selection committee, if they recommend, then the members can be reappointed up to the age of 65 years. But these members should possess a certain qualification. That is, their age should not be less than of 35 years. They should possess the bachelor degree from the recognized university. And they should have at least 10 years experience in dealing with a problem relating to the law, industry, commerce, education, public affairs and administration. So, if the member, that means if the consumer is not satisfied for the decision which has been given by the district forum, that they can make the appeal to the further, that is to the state commission within the period of 30 days. Here at the state level, there is a state commission. So the central government, they have powers to set the state commission at the state level to hear the complaint for the value of the goods and the services or the compensation which exceeds rupees 20 lakh but should be less than 1 crore. As well as they can entertain the complaint. They can entertain the complaints of the consumer who is not satisfied with the decision of the district forum. So that complainant, he can make the appeal. So in the state commission, they can entertain the complainant's appeal, which that can be heard by the state commission. So state commission, they can entertain the complaints of the district forum complainant, as well as they can entertain the complaints of the consumer for the value of the goods and the compensation, which should exceed 20 lakhs and should not be less than 1 crore. Even though the state commission, there is one president and two other members. The one president, he is or has been qualified to be the judge of high court, and the two other members, from one should be the lady social worker. The other member should be immense in the field of trade, industry, commerce and education, and the qualification will be same, that is their composition as well as qualification, that is the member should hold the office for the period of 5 years and up to the age of 67 years, whichever is early. The qualification is same, that is their age should not be less than of 35 years. They should possess the bachelor